card holder, MagSafe, Apple leather wallet case, now with Find My, and still with soft European leather. How good is the new Apple leather wallet case with Find My? If you lose it, how does it work to help you find it? Like if you left it at the restaurant or a gym. Well, let's test out the Find My feature at the Pier. Now this is an unboxing video and first impressions, but I'll also do a follow-up review. Alright, so this is Rick from the future. What are my thoughts about the Apple Wallet 5 months later? Do I love it? Do I hate it?
Okay, so the Apple leather wallet. Let's check it out. Hi, this is Rick. Welcome to VidTech with Rick. Well, we're going to review the iPhone leather wallet. I've always wanted one. Now that I have the clear case and I have the MagSafe with the clear case, I'm going to put this on. It's going to replace my wallet case that I usually get from Amazon. It's about $11 from Amazon, and I love it. It works great, but they're a little bulky, and I kind of really just wanted to go into the whole MagSafe route. So this one is supposed to have Find My. They really do put a lot of packaging onto these things. They're very environmental, but I mean, look at this. Now I don't do anything with this. I mean, what am I going to do with this? Nothing. So here's my leather wallet case. And this is wisteria, by the way.
So the new colors replace the old colors, and you get a choice of golden brown, dark cherry, sequoia green, midnight, or wisteria. I would have liked a Sierra blue color to pair perfectly with my iPhone 13 Pro, but I think wisteria looks pretty cool.
It actually looks really, really great. It just kind of looks like a muted purple. It's very soft. It feels soft. I love that little Apple logo. On the back here, it has, you can push up to get your cards out, I guess. Now, they say that it's not going to hurt your credit cards. It says you can hold 3 credit cards. So I've got my Costco card, I've got a debit card, and I've got my driver's license. That's pretty snug. They're not coming out. Let's do it. It did something.
Pairing is easy. Just attach the wallet to your phone and you'll be walked through adding this device to your Find My app.
If you're going to do a review of different products, make sure your iPhone is charged. Okay, so when I took it off, it vibrates. It vibrates the phone. So I guess that's like allowing you to know what's going on. So it's paired. I feel confident that it's on there. I feel like if it separates, it'll vibrate on me, and so I'll know that it came off. Okay, so here we are on the San Clemente Pier, and we're going to detach my wallet, and we're going to see what it says. Now, it will take about a minute for it to do it. So I've also detached it at the Starbucks, and the Starbucks, it told me exactly where it was. However, this is not going to do anything. It's not going to chirp. It's not going to, you're not going to be able to find it except for the fact that the phone just knows where it was when it was detached. That's the only thing it will do. If somebody finds it, what they have to do is they have to be having an iPhone 12 or newer, know that they have to attach it to their own phone, and then your phone number will come up. Well, I think a better solution to all this is, in the olden days, we used to put our contact information in our wallets. So maybe put a sticker right here with your name and your phone number. That way, if anybody finds it, they can just call you. I think that's probably a better thing, because the technology on this is very limited. It's better than the old version, but it's very limited. Okay, so let's see what it said. It's been about a minute. Let's see if it says anything. It just came up and it says Rick's wallet was detached. So let's click on this and find out where it was detached. It is showing that it's detached, not here, not at there it is, there it goes. It kind of took it a second to figure out where it was, but you can see that it's at San Clemente Pier. So you can get directions to it, you can do the notifications. If you mark it as lost, then it will give you, and you can type in your phone number. You can activate it and it will tell you your phone number, or you can set it up to say your email address if you're worried about people knowing your phone number or something. So it's very limited what it can do, but the person that finds it, again, they have to have an iPhone 12 or newer and attach it to their own phone, know to attach it to their own phone, and then your phone number or your email address will come up. Limiting, but that's what it is. But another thing I was thinking was that I would take it off when I go to the gym. Like when I'm at the gym, I'll leave it in my car. Oh God, I just told the world that, didn't I? Well, anyway, I'll leave it in the glove box or something like that. That way I don't have to have my wallet with me. And that was one of my concerns. I don't want to have my wallet with me all the time. I want to be able to take it off. And so I can take this to the gym, or I can use it to film. That's another concern. I use this to film all the time. So it's on a tripod all the time. And sometimes I walk away from the tripod and I do other shots or stuff in the park. And even though somebody could steal my iPhone, they could also steal all my credit cards and everything too if I walk away from it. So it's better to not have this on there. You know what I mean? All right, so this is Rick from the future. Well, actually, I should say this is Rick from the present. What you saw before was the past. Oh, it's complicated. Okay, so I've had this leather wallet case for a few months now, and let me just tell you, I love the color. It's wisteria. I could have gone for that kind of that orange color too. That would have been cool, or even like the black color. Anyway, this is a really durable, really nice. Well, I thought I was just going to take this off all the time because I thought it would slip off all the time. Well, it actually, when I put it in my pocket, well, say I wear pretty loose clothes, but when I put this in my pocket, I never ever think that it's going to fall off ever. It feels very secure. When I go to the gym or something like that, I thought I would just separate this, leave it in a locked glove compartment or something like that, and so I wouldn't have to carry this around at the gym. But it turns out more often than not, I just keep it on the phone because it's very durable. I like to use the phone to watch movies on the treadmill. It never falls off. I never even think that it would fall off. If for some reason this separates, it vibrates. The phone vibrates and you notice right away, hey, it's separated, and this is where you last separated from.
Okay, glowing praise. But is there anything I don't like about the iPhone leather wallet? Well, after 5 months, I have noticed some wear and tear, like these black scuff marks. That wouldn't be that big of a deal, but I paid $60 for this thing. I guess that's the other negative. It is expensive at $59, but Apple products usually are. However, you are getting good quality and features that work perfectly with Apple products. Ecosystem. That said, I have noticed twice now that the Find My app will say the wallet is somewhere else when it's really with me. For instance, it was on the back of my phone and I took it off for this B-roll shot, and the Find My app said it was 20 minutes away from me in Irvine. Now, I was there last night and I did separate my wallet from my phone at that location, but it's been a long time since then. The wallet has been back on my iPhone at home with me for hours. Now, I am using iOS 15.4 beta, so this might be a fluke that Apple will fix later. And I've never really had a problem with this until now, but come on! Also, I mentioned that it's expensive, but sometimes Amazon will have a deal. So click on the link in the descriptions below and see if there's a discount of some kind. Amazon also has cheaper versions of a MagSafe style wallet that might work for you. Also linked below. Click those links, please.
But honestly, this is a great construction. It feels a lot thinner, having it on my iPhone, it feels a lot thinner than when I had a big bulky case, like a wallet case that I had before on my iPhone Pro Max. So this feels very, very secure, very durable. The MagSafe really works. I love it. I wouldn't hesitate to get it. It's fantastic. Now back to old Rick. All right, so that is my review of, Okay, so that is the iPhone leather wallet with MagSafe. And it takes off pretty easy and it goes on pretty easy. And I love it. It looks great.
Now, if you're interested in purchasing the iPhone leather wallet case, please click the link below. It really helps the channel out. And most of the time, Amazon has a great deal for you. So check it out.
Twitter, what is it? Why is it? Why would you ever follow anybody on Twitter? Well, I joined Twitter. So whether you're watching VidTech with Rick, Lose It with Rick, or Travel Cruisers, I've combined all 3 channels onto Twitter. Anything that's in my mind, I just tweet it out. So if you want to follow me, it's @RickCreating. Check it out on Twitter. So thank you for watching, and if you would like to subscribe to my channel, I do little reviews like this all the time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.